Tutorial: how do you create a bootable USB flash drive for Ubuntu? It's Ubuntu Linux operating system. So you need this software. It's a Rufus. I've left the link in the video description to download this software. In case if the link do not work at any point of time, you're going to search for it over the internet and download it. Open the software. And now, in the very first option, you're going to choose your pen drive. Click on select. And you're going to choose your operating system to boot. It's an ISO file for Ubuntu Linux operating system. In case, I've left the link in the video description to download. In case if the link do not work at any point of time, you're gonna search for it over the internet and download it. ISO file. Partition scheme GPT. File system should be NTFS. In case you feel like your pen drive is with a defect, it's not working properly or corrupted, you can check for check the device for the bad blocks. So when you check this box, it will manually one by one check the every blocks of your device, and if there is any kind of error, it's gonna show you. Currently, my device is all the way fine, so I'm not going to check for the bad blocks. Click on start. Okay. So device is ready. Click on close. Now let me refresh the page. And here I have Ubuntu. The flash drive is all the way ready to boot a new system.